Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect a mic to BandLab PC. The first thing I want you to do is come to the bottom right click on your sound icon, click your own sound settings, and then I want you to go ahead and scroll down here under input, make sure you have your correct microphone selected. And then what I want you to do is go back to BandLabs. Once you are here in BandLab, come here to the top right, click on Create, click on New Project, and it will go ahead and load this up. And then you should see options right here. For the new track, click on Voice/Audio, and then it should prompt you to use your microphone. So go ahead and make sure you have your correct microphone selected, and then click on Allow while visiting the site. And there you go. The microphone is now in use, and I am able to use it to record, as you can see right here. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.